Hey guys, here we are at Tellico Gap.
We're going to be hiking from here to the Nantahala Outdoor Center. I think it's about 8.8 miles. So let's hit the trail.
Smalls is rocking some new socks today. Perfect to go with his Ronald McDonald shoes. I've got my new socks on as well. Hoping they're not my Lucky Bear socks. All right, guys. Let's keep hiking. There's the fire tower, guys. We're almost there.
A huge hornet's nest there. You can see it. Let's get the heck out of here. Okay guys, we have made it up here to Wesser. There's a ton of people up on the platform, so we're gonna wait a few minutes for them to come down, and we're gonna head on up. This view is gorgeous. We are 1.5 miles in right here. Absolutely beautiful day. We're sitting at, I think, around 65 degrees right now. Alright guys, so when you get to the fire tower, if you're heading northbound, there is a trail that goes off to the right at the bottom of the stairs. That is not the Appalachian Trail, so don't accidentally get on that. Apparently a lot of people have been doing that. Right before you go to the trail that goes up to the top of the tower, you'll see an overgrown trail to the left. It is what we're on now. This is actually the Appalachian Trail. So, highly recommend going to the tower even on a day hike. It's just 1.5 miles up there. Totally worth it. We are lucky because there is not a cloud in the sky today, and it's supposed to be even clearer tomorrow. I mean, it's a little bit hazy, but that's it. All right, guys, it looks like we got a downhill coming up. So, we're gonna get hiking. La 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 la. There's a big rattlesnake in the trail.
Oh.
Hey guys, this guy's not messing around. He's just sitting here looking at me. Scared the crap out of me. He started coming at me and I took off running. And now he won't leave. Okay guys, so we are in a standoff here with this stupid rattlesnake. We have to go through there and he ain't moving. Just sitting there staring at us, has not budged. We've made noise, we've stomped. He's not in striking position, but he's just chilling. And I need him to leave.
All right.
Hi guys, we have made it by the snake. We did everything they tell you to not do to get through because he wouldn't leave. We were there for a good 25 minutes waiting on him to move. So I threw something at him and he got pissed off and chased me, and then we lost him. So we just started throwing sticks in the brush around the edge of this trail, and we got a switch back here. Hopefully he didn't go down here and he's waiting on us again. But he's not happy. All right guys, let's keep hiking. Guys, the views here are absolutely beautiful. As Wonder Bread said, it's kind of hard to enjoy the views when you're looking for snakes the whole time. It is grass the whole time up here. We're just cruising along this ridge line. It's a pretty easy hike through here. We're just kind of gradually going downhill. And it's just, as you can see, it is just grass. Very overgrown through here. We're at almost 3.5 miles now. We are moving. This is a very good section of trail. It's just kind of gradual ups and downs. We haven't had any big climbs in a while. Pretty much since the Wesser Gap Tower. Holy moly, guys, look at this. Wow. This is gorgeous. There's a haul coming up that hill though. Whew. Oh man, guys, this is gorgeous. I don't know if the video will even do justice. Man, this is beautiful through here.
Hey, Smiles.
Hey, Wonder Bread.
How do you think of the trail so far?
How do I think of it? GoPro, stop recording. It's okay?
Look it up, look up.
Holy mackerel. Alright guys, that's it for our view. Now let's hike down this hill. Well, guys, we are going down the stairs. It's definitely a better way than starting at the knock. Alright guys, we're still going down here, and temperature is a lot cooler down here. It's nice and shady. Got a nice little breeze coming through. We could not have asked for better weather for this trip. Alright guys, we have 1 mile left. We should be walking here in about 10-15 minutes into the knock. We are going to get a cheeseburger and beer. And soak our legs in the ice cold water. It's been an eventful trip. We've had 2 snakes. We just had a copperhead back there. Of course, our infamous rattlesnake battle. I think that's pretty much it for wildlife. but it's a great trail. Highly recommend this. The downhill is brutal, but at least we're going this direction and not hiking up with all that, because it is a huge incline going the other way. I want to thank everybody on the Appalachian Trail Section Hikers Forum for recommending this section to us. You guys have been awesome. Guys, look right down there. I see cars and hear people. Normally what we're trying to get away from out here, but to this hike, it's a welcome sight to see people. Hi guys, we are here.
We made it!
Hi guys, here we are. We are at the Knock. We're waiting on our food. We found a nice place to camp just downstream. We got our drinks. We're ready to go. Alright guys, we are leaving Hobo Island here on the Nantahala River. Great little camp spot. We had a couple guys come in, set up camp right before here last night, and they got the heck out of here this morning. We never even saw them, so we've been up pretty early. So we're heading out of here. Just a little short hike up the tracks back to the Knock, and we're gonna hang out there for a couple hours, and then we're shuttling out of here back up to Tellico. All right guys. Alright guys, we are at breakfast here at the Knock. We got our Bloody Marys, pimento cheese biscuits. That's what I'm talking about. Alright guys, we have made it back to the car. We want to thank Donald and Mary from Further Shuttle for picking us up at the Knock and bringing us back to Tellico Gap. Excellent service. We highly recommend you guys use them. As far as the hike goes, it was outstanding. A lot of downhill. We had a good time at the Knock. We found a nice little hobo camping spot. Spent there the night there last night. Just the two of us there, so it was awesome. Alright guys, we really appreciate you watching. Please hit that subscribe button, like these videos, and hit the bell for a notification. Alright guys, for now, S&T, peace out.